the members of my class, wishing very auspicious morning to our most honorable MD sir, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today we will take you on an extraordinary journey through the intricate workings and fascinating structure of our government.
Today we warmly welcome you in our vibrant celebration where our talented classmates will perform a variety of acts including the auspicious group dance, melodious Hindi and English song.
Our dance will elegantly depict the 9 verses of poetry such as Shringar, Rodra, V and Bhayanak, beautifully showcasing these emotions with our movements. We are thrilled to share our hard work and creativity with you, and we hope you enjoy this spectacular event.
Now please stand up and take your position. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge.
God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
Celebrating the divine presence of God, let us come together in unity and devotion as we commence our class assembly with the Ganesh Vandana.
Our positive thoughts are powerful that it pulls you out of current mindset and into that moment. I would like to call Raina for thought of the day.
Government is not just about ruling. It's about solving every decision made should be a step towards a brighter future guided by empathy, wisdom, and a commitment to the common good. I repeat my thought, government is not just about ruling. It's about solving every decision made should be a step towards a brighter future guided by empathy, wisdom, and a commitment to the common good. Thank you. Has been used as a form of worship and celebration since ancient times. Many cultures worldwide use dance to express their faith and connect with their spiritual roots. As we witness the praise dancers, graceful movements, and vibrant colors, let us take a moment to reflect on the beauty and diversity of God's creation through a live Kathak dance.
मोरे बंसी बजैया नंद लाला कन्हैया मोरे बंसी
A poem is never finished, only abandoned. Poetry is an echo asking a shadow to dance. Now the students of my class are going to recite an English poem.
In the realm of governments, where power resides, a system of order where decisions abide, leaders emerge with visions in their sights, guiding a nation through day and night. Government, a symphony of voices so diverse, representing the people, their hopes emerge. From laws and policies to justice and rights, a balance of authority in democratic lines. Through the corridors of power they tread, seeking progress with each word said. They face challenges, both big and small, working for the betterment of all. But let us remember, government is not just one. It's a collective effort where unity is spun. We the people hold the power to shape our destiny and make dreams come true. So let us engage in civic duty we partake to build a nation for everyone's sake. With transparency, accountability and trust, together we can make our government just. Thank you.
Music has healing power. It has the ability to take people out of themselves for few hours. Now Rishi Juneja of our class is going to give an instrumental performance.
That burn. Now the students of my class are going to recite a Hindi poem.
शिक्षा के दीपक जलाती है हमारी सरकार, ज्ञान का सागर बनाकर सभी को करती है होशियार।
न्याय की मिसाल है सरकार की हर बात, जिसमें होता है हर नागरिक का सच्चा साथ। नौकरी हो या रोजगार, सब में मेहनत करती सरकार, हर व्यक्ति हो सुशिक्षित, बड़े सबका व्यापार।
सरकारी योजनाओं से मिलती सबको सुरक्षा, हर जन को राहत, स्वास्थ्य की रक्षा।
सरकार की कहानी है समृद्धि की ऊंचाई, चाहे इसके लिए करनी पड़े कोई भी भरपाई। एक दूसरे का सम्मान है सरकार की शान, विकास की राहों में बढ़ता है देश का मन। धन्यवाद।
Government Auditions is a stage play about a journey through the workings of the government. It follows a group of characters as they face challenges of different branches and officials. The story highlights teamwork, integrity and understanding how our government works. The title Odyssey represents their long and eventful journey, showing their experiences and growth throughout the play.
In the land of the governments, the Prime Minister and their ministers embark on a journey to ensure the welfare and prosperity to their citizens. Let us join them on this odyssey.
My fellow ministers, it is our duty to serve our people with dedication and integrity. Let us begin a journey to address the needs of our nation.
We must revamp our education system to empower our youth with knowledge and skills for the future.
Agreed. Education is the cornerstone of progress.
Access to quality health care should be a fundamental right for all citizens.
We shall allocate resources to improve healthcare infrastructure and services.
Strengthening our economy is crucial for the prosperity of our nation.
Let us implement policies to foster growth and create opportunities for all.
Protecting our environment is essential for the well-being of present and future generations.
We must promote sustainability and preserve our natural resources.
Enhancing transportation infrastructure will facilitate connectivity and economic growth.
We shall invest in research and innovation to propel our nation into the digital age.
Innovation in agriculture are key to ensuring food security and rural development.
We shall support farmers and promote sustainable agriculture practices.
Safeguarding our nation from external threats is paramount.
We shall bolster our defense capabilities to ensure the safety of our citizens.
A rich cultural heritage must be preserved and celebrated.
Let us promote cultural exchanges and artistic endeavors to enrich our society.
Embracing technology is essential for progress and competitiveness.
We shall invest in research and innovation to propel our nation into the digital age.
I am really concerned about the rising cost of living. What measure is the government to take to address inflation?
Thank you for your question. Inflation is a critical issue that affects all of us. The government is implementing several measures to manage and reduce inflation. These include tightening monetary policy, improving supply chain efficiencies, and reducing import duties on essential goods to make them more affordable.
We have been facing severe droughts for the past few years. Our crops are failing and we are struggling to sustain our families. What is the government doing to help us?
Thank you for bringing this important issue to my attention. The government is aware of the challenges.
Sir, I am really worried about the pollution levels in our city. It's affecting our health.
We all are working on several initiatives to reduce pollution, including stricter regulations on factories and promoting green energy. The government is committed to serving people with transparency and accountability.
Let us work tirelessly to fulfill our duty and honor the trust placed in us by our citizens.
Together we can make a brighter future for our nation.
And so the journey of governance continues as the Prime Ministers and their ministers navigate the challenges and opportunities to build a better future for their nation.
Thank you.
An argument is an exchange of ignorance, but the discussion is exchange of knowledge. So now it's time for group discussion.
You must have heard the word government in school and locality. What do government do? How do they decide what to do?
Yes, we all have heard as the government plays a crucial role in our lives. It is responsible for making and enforcing laws to ensure everyone lives in harmony. Balancing individual rights with collective responsibilities is a key challenge for government.
Every country needs a government to make decisions and get things done. These can be decisions about where to build roads and schools or ways to increase the supply of electricity.
Government decisions impact various aspects of daily life, from education to healthcare. For example, the local government takes care of community needs like public schools, parks, and local law enforcement. State government handle things like transportation and public health.
What is the difference between different types of governments such as monarchies and democracy?
Government are divided into different levels, local, state and national. Each level has its own responsibility to manage different aspects of our societies. There are different forms of government around the world, such as monarchies, where a king or queen rules, and dictatorships, where one person has complete control. Can you please highlight some other activities by government for economically challenged
The
citizens?
government also takes action on many social issues. For example, it has several programs to help the poor.
Government is essential for societal order, providing structure and services. Its effectiveness relies on transparency and responsiveness to citizens. It does other important things such as running postal railway services.
The government also has the job of protecting the boundaries of the country and peaceful relation with other countries. It is responsible for ensuring that all its citizens have enough to eat and have good health facilities.
When there are natural disasters like there is tsunami or an earthquake, it is a government that mainly organizes and assistance for the affected people.
The three organs of the government are the legislature, the executive, the judiciary, the legislature. This organ is concerned with making laws or amending laws. The executive implements the laws framed by the legislature. The judiciary, this organ is responsible for overlooking the fair and just functioning of the laws.
One important part of government is the democracy, where citizens have the power to vote and their leaders. This way, people have say in how their country is run.
In a democracy, there are three branches: the executive, the legislative, and the judicial. Each branch has its own powers and responsibilities to ensure a balance of power.
The executive branch is led by the president or prime minister. The legislative branch makes the laws, and the judicial branch interprets the laws to ensure justice. As young citizens, it is important for us to understand how our government works and how we can participate in it. This knowledge helps us become responsible and informed adults. In conclusion, understanding the government helps us appreciate the importance of civic duty and inspire us contribute positive to society. Thank you.
Feel the rhythm in your heartbeat. Let the melody flow from your soul and paint the air with the colors of a Hindi song performance by Pihu and Riddhima.
Haar ke baad
is going to give a special English song performance. Gets to hear beautiful.
because it gives us the cited excuse to feel and be completely beautiful. Now students of my class are coming for group dance performance.
भाव है जिनसे सृष्टि, किंतु सृष्टि जिसमें वो एक नवरस के भी माता पिता है। हर हर महादेव। चित अर्ध नारेश्वर का है, शांति रस का रूप। रसपूटा श्रृंगार। जटाओं में खिलखिलाती गंगा है हास्य रस का आधार।
जय हो शंकरा, आदिदेव शंकरा। मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला।
चांद है, अद्भुत रस का संसार।
चंद्रमा ललाट पे भस्म है भुजाओं में, वस्त्र बांध साध का मैं खड़ा हूँ पाँव में। प्यास क्या हो तुझे, गंगा है तेरी जटाओं में, जटाओं में, जटाओं में।
करुणा रस का भेंट दिया जब, विष पीकर कहलाए नीलकंठ।
चटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्तने गले विलम्बिता भुजंग तुंग मालिका मट्ट 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 मट्टिनाद वड्ड मर्वयं चकार चंड तांडवं तनोतु नः शिव। हर हर शिव शंकर नीलकंठ गंगाधर, आए शरणम ते हारे। ज्ञान ऐसा विशाल बैठे हो मृगनयन, छाए माथे चंद्र विराजे।
देव जिन्हें पूजे वो महादेव, है वीर रस साक्षात।
हर हर शिव शंकर मधुकंठ महिमाधर, तीनों लोकों के स्वामी। मन की हर दशा को आप जानते हो शिव, शिवदाता सर्वज्ञानी। ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय।
चीता भस्म जब देह पर आया, जन्मा विभत्स रस।
अकाल मृत्यु मत्ता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मत्ता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का।
में खूंखार सर्प से बना भयंकर रस। तीसरी आंख से करे विनाश, ऐसा है रौद्र रस का आघात।
आग बहे तेरी रग में, तुझसा कहा कोई जग में। तू आँख जो खोले तो ढाए कहर।
अंत है उसका वो सब गाना इनका उनका, वही है माला वही है मन का मस्त मलंग वो अपने धुन का। अंदर 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 जाने ऐसा वक्त स्वाभिमानी